All right, we're going to do words in a sentence. I am going to say a sentence and I want you to listen to me, say the sentence, and see if you can remember all the words and repeat it back to me. Then we'll count how many words you hear. I love school. I love school. There's 3 words. Reading is fun. Reading is fun. There's 3 words. I like pizza. I like pizza. There's 3 words. Good job. The house is pink. The house is pink. 4 words. Now we're going to do some rhyming words. Listen for the words that rhyme. When the words rhyme, the sound alike, the sounds in the middle and at the end are the same. I will say 2 words, then you'll repeat the 2 words back to me and give me a thumbs up if the 2 words rhyme or a thumbs down if the 2 words do not rhyme. Pig, bat, wig. Which 2 words rhyme? Pig and wig. Good job. Jet, star, wet. Jet, wet. Good job. King, bell, ring. King, ring. Good job. Dice, lip, mice. Dice and mice. Good job. Now we're going to do consonants. Listen for the first sound you hear in a word. I will say a word and I want you to say that word back to me and tell me just the first sound you hear. Turtle, turtle. T. Ball, ball. B. Net, n. Fox, f. Now we're going to do compound words. I am going to say 2 words. You are going to say both of the words back to me and blend them together to make a compound word. Cupcake, cupcake. Star, fish, starfish. Good job. Sun, flower, sunflower. One more. Lip and stick, lipstick. Now we're going to do word pair. I will say 2 words. You are going to say the words back to me and listen for the beginning sound. Then you're going to say just the beginning sound back to me. Car, cat. K. Neat, knot. N. Frog, fish. F. Egg, elephant. Eh. Now we're going to do compound words. Compound words are big words made of 2 smaller words. I am going to say a compound word and you will repeat the compound word back to me and we will take the compound word apart into 2 smaller words. Seahorse, sea, horse. Armchair, arm, chair. Toothbrush, tooth, brush. Lighthouse, light, house. Good job. Now we're going to do compound words. We are going to make compound word. I will say a word, you will repeat it back to me, then I will say another word, and we will blend them together by adding it to the end of the first word to make a compound word. Catfish, catfish. Snowball, snowball. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Fireman, fireman. Now we will take away one part of a compound word and I will say compound word. You will repeat the word, then I will tell you what to take away and you will tell me what's left. Snow cone. Remove snow. Cone. Fire truck. Take away truck. We're left with fire. Campfire. Remove fire. Camp. Good job. Sunglasses. Remove sun. Glasses. Good job. Now we're going to do phonemes. We will change one word. We would change one sound in a word to make a new word. I will say a word, you will repeat the word, then I will tell you what sound to change, and you will tell me the new word. Hat. Hat. Change the to s. We get sat. Dog. Change the d to f. We get fog. Run. Change the to d. Pie. Change the p to t. To t. Tie.